Welcome to all. Today we will going to discuss about the video lecture series in elements of era elasticity in the topic of wing divergence. So wing divergence is a phenomenon. It occurs when the wings of an aircraft are subjected to high loads causing them to bend and twist. This can lead to structural damage and even failure of the wings, which can be catastrophic for the aircraft and its occupants. In order to prevent wing divergence, engineers use a variety of techniques to design stronger, more resilient wings that can withstand the stresses of flight. These techniques include using advanced materials such as composites and alloys and designing the wings to be more aerodynamically efficient. And in every factor it will be making up some causes in wing divergence. That is several of factors that contribute to the wing divergence, including it is a turbulence, gust of wind, and changes in air pressure. When the aircraft encounters these conditions, the wings can experience sudden intense loads that cause them to bend and twist beyond their limits. And another facts that can contribute to wing divergence is a poor design or maintenance of the wings themselves. If the wings are not strong enough or not properly maintained, they may be more susceptible to damage and failure under high loads. It is having some preventive measure technique for these wing divergence. Engineers use a variety of techniques to design stronger, more resilient wings. One approach is to advance materials such as carbon fiber composites or titanium alloys, which have greater strength and durability than traditional materials like aluminium. Another approach is to design the wings to be more aerodynamically efficient, which can reduce the amount of stress the wings experience during flight. This can include using winglets or other devices to improve airflow over the wings and reduce drag. And it have with some deductive wing divergence method. It can be a difficult task as it often occurs suddenly and without warning. And however, there are several methods that can be used to monitor the health of the wings and detect any signs of damage or stresses. One approach is to use sensors embedded in the wings themselves, which can detect changes in temperature, pressure, or strain. The sensors can provide real-time data on the condition of the wings and alert pilots or maintenance and crew members if there are any issues. So normally we said that about wings, it is the main vital role of aerospace industry or aircraft to provide a lift using the flaps. And another control surfaces is the aileron, elevator, and rudder. It is also called a primary control surfaces in aircraft during the operation position. In rudder, it will be using for the yawing position. It will be a type of THN V tail section. It is also called as a vertical stabilizer. In horizontal stabilizer, in that nome of elevator, it having a pitching up and pitching down moment in one type of control surface. And in the wing section, it is an aileron control section. It will be having the rotating purpose of an aircraft during the cruise position. And these all are will be connected in a cable actuator session. And that it will be the everything will be monitored from the six instruments will be in aircraft, which will be located in the pilot area session. These are the main wings and components of major components of an airplane. And wing divergence, this is in this field, it is a consequence of wing divergence is it is ranging from minor damage to complete failure of the wings. In some cases, wing divergence have led to catastrophic accidents that result in loss of life and property. And to mitigate the risk associated with wing divergence, aircraft manufacturers and operators must take steps to ensure that their plans are well designed, well maintained, and equipped with the latest safety features and technologies. and it will be concluded by the advanced materials. It's a designing more aerodynamically efficient wing and monitoring the health of the wing with sensors. Engineers and operators can mitigate the risk associated with this phenomenon, and it is important to remain vigilant and to continue to develop new technologies and techniques to prevent wing divergence and ensure the safety of those who really earn air travel. Thank you.